Hello, do you have a minute?
There. So what do you want to talk about?
So, me and my friend Grace would like to offer you a product. We are selling sanitation products such as hand sanitizer, disinfectant, and also mask in one travel pocket. It will be useful for you, especially in this condition where there is pandemic. Furthermore, it's easy, light, and more practical to bring in the bag.
Other than that, the sanitation set can help you keep things clean everywhere and anywhere. When you sit on chairs, eat at tables, or even in the toilet. You can use the mask to avoid viruses from entering your mouth and nose from people talking, and also avoid yourself touching your face. This set provides everything you need to keep you away from viruses and bacteria, so you don't have to be afraid of going out, meeting people, or eat on the spot in a restaurant.
Oh, that actually sounds very interesting. I actually need one for myself, especially the mask. So what are the masks made of?
So the mask is KN95. If you know, this mask provides 95% protection from pathogens. It consists of four non-woven layers that filter all particles with a size of 2.5 microns, which is way more effective than simple masks. Not only that, this mask is very unique and different from other masks because it has V-shape on the mouthpiece. So you don't have to worry because it gives you plenty of space to breathe comfortably.
I see. So how about the hand sanitizer and the disinfectant?
So whenever there's no water and soap, you can use sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is like a gel that contains an 80% alcohol that will work immediately to kill germs and bacteria in our hands.
So,
And for a
okay.
disinfectant, it will help you to keep everything sterile and hygienic. It is usually used in hospitals, kitchens, and dental equipment as well to keep infection organisms. But in this pandemic, we can use it when we are in public places like malls, supermarket, and more.
What type of packaging will you use for your product?
We will use string pouches for the packaging. It is made of a transparent plastic with colorful edges. You can choose. They are white, black, green, and more. So you can choose it. You can use it for other things or hanging out with friends. Because it's made of plastic, it is waterproof, so the tickets can stay safe and dry inside pouch. As wet mess can be gross sometimes.
Okay. So how much do you plan on selling it?
It's quite cheap. It's around 35,000 till 40,000. It's such a really worth price to buy, especially in this condition. You really need this kind of gifts. So, are you interested in our products?
Of course, I'm interested. I would like to buy your product.
Thank you very much. Before we end this, may I have your feedback for about our presentation?
Sure. So I think your presentation is very clear and persuasive, and you have successfully delivered your message and described your product very well.
Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye
You
bye.
have a nice day. Bye.